Hello everyone. In today's video we will be discussing the top 5 best waterproof tablets available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable tablets, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. AGM-Pad P1 Waterproof Tablet. AGM-Pad P1 presents a breathtaking 10.362K FHD IPS display that renders every image and video with unparalleled vibrancy and clarity, transforming your entertainment into a truly immersive spectacle. Born with inherent waterproof capabilities, the AGM-Pad P1 laughs at splashes and rain. Coupled with a protective case, it becomes impervious to dust and withstands accidental drops, embodying resilience. Harness the power of the MediaTek G99 processor, 8GB RAM, and the latest Android 13 OS, coupled with expandable storage up to a whopping 2TB, ensuring your tablet never skips a beat. Even under heavy workloads, immerse yourself in soundscapes that feel lifelike with dual-box stereo speakers, delivering a balanced and powerful audio experience for music, movies, and conference calls that feels like being right there. Stay connected worldwide with AGM-Pad P1's dual 4G LTE SIM compatibility, empowering you to manage multiple networks effortlessly, ensuring seamless communication and internet access wherever your journey leads. Number 2. Cubot KINGKONG Waterproof Tablet. Designed to withstand the harshest environments, this rugged tablet is IP68 and IP69K certified, providing complete protection against dust, water, and shocks. With the added IP69K rating, it ensures exceptional resistance against high-pressure water and steam, making it the ultimate rugged companion for extreme conditions. Experience unrivaled performance with the powerful octa-core MT8788, delivering lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. With up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of expandable storage, you have all the power and space you need. Enjoy stunning visuals on the 10.1-inch FHD Plus IPS touchscreen. The vibrant colors and sharp details bring your content to life, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working on creative tasks. Capture unforgettable moments with the 8MP front camera and 16MP rear camera. The high-resolution lenses and advanced features ensure that every photo and video is crisp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Stay connected and productive for extended periods with the long-lasting 10600 mAh battery. No matter where your adventures take you, this tablet has the stamina to keep up. The built-in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and AGPS support ensure accurate navigation and location tracking, empowering you to explore new territories with ease. Number 3. World Premiere AGM-Pad P2 Waterproof Tablet. A rugged detachable case morphs effortlessly into a stand with 360 degrees rotation and carry strap, keeping the tablet waterproof, portable, and adaptable without compromising safety or style. Empowered by 8GB RAM, complemented with 8GB virtual RAM, the MediaTek processor ensures lightning-fast operation, while the expandable 256GB ROM to 1TB provides ample space for your extensive digital library. The FHD 1200 by 1920 display, paired with a rapid 90Hz refresh rate, delivers stunning clarity and fluid motion, immersing you deeply into gaming realms and cinematic experiences. Integrated with 4 premium speakers, this tablet produces a rich, immersive audio environment that elevates every gaming session and multimedia encounter to a new level of sensory delight. An 8000 mAh battery life, Android 14 OS, 50MP cam, wide Devine L1 for top-tier streaming, and integrated compass combine to ensure enduring use, cutting-edge intelligence, and precise navigation on all excursions. Number 4. Fossibot DT2 Waterproof Tablet. Best flash charge among rugged tablets. 66 watts ensures super fast recharge. Cargo 15 minutos. Watch a 120-minute film. The ultra-large 22000 mAh battery capacity provides power all day, every day, eliminating your power worries while working, studying or playing. Wi-Fi 6 not only provide blazing fast downloading speed, further distance Wi-Fi connection, but also more stable running for wireless projection screen, live streaming, video meeting and ERC. The 32MP Sony sensor camera on the front of DT2 allows you to capture clear and vibrant selfies. With Samsung sensor, HOTWAV and big flashlight, delivering you fantastic shooting experience. The irregular shape flashlight not only offers wider flashlight when shooting in low light condition, but also works as an ultra bright physical flashlight for camping or underwater shooting. Being the global first 10.4-inch 2K display rugged tablet, the bezel-less huge display in Cellcraft. 16 million colors and 500 nits dip offers you immersive audio and video entertainment. The 4-box speakers deliver symmetrical audio from both sides, presenting you extraordinary surround sound. Number 5. HOTWAV R5 Waterproof Tablet. Octa-core Helio P22 offers stunning optics for photography, blistering fast processing speed, reliable connection strength and a great balance between display sharpness and power efficiency. And with the 128GB ROM that can be expanded to 1TB, you would feel totally free in digital world. The 10.1 inches HD Plus display with the 16:10 aspect ratio offers more resolution, makes it more comfortable for reading and gaming. You will also enjoy rich colors and high clarify. As a strongly built product, R5 can well withstand water, dirt and shock, a reliable partner to have in harsh environments. The touchscreen of R5 is tuned so it also works when you are wearing gloves. Now you don't need to take off your gloves in the cold winter to go about your business on the device or disrupt the flow of work. On top of the usual 2.4 GHz frequencies, R5 also supports 5 GHz connection. When you are within a short distance from the router or hotspot, 5 GHz Wi-Fi can provide higher speed and less interference.